Together, the child and the parrot started their journey, eyes filled with wonder as they stepped into the unknown. Along the way, they faced many challenges, from steep hills to rushing streams that tested their resolve. But the parrot's encouragement gave the child the courage to keep going, its vibrant feathers a symbol of hope. Finally, they found the way out, standing together at the entrance of a beautiful clearing filled with sunlight and flowers. The child learned that with kindness and courage, any fear can be overcome, a valuable lesson etched in their heart forever. With a newfound sense of confidence, they realized that their friendship was the greatest treasure of all.